In this video, we are going to be turning a statue into a rock. And here we go again, guys. So let's go ahead and import our images. So we'll click on photo library. So at first, I'm going to select this rock, click on it, click on add. Okay, now let's go ahead and import our statue. Click right here, click here, photo layer, photo library. This is our statue. Click on it, add. Think I'm going to make it this big. Why not? Or let's leave it like this at first. Click on done. Now we're going to select it. Yeah, you guessed it right. So here we are using our quick selection tool. I'm going to select outside it. Or can we use our, let's see if we can use our magic wand too. So we click here, click on magic wand. So you can work on the tolerance. I think I'm going to increase it this much. I'm just going to click once at the background and let's reduce it. So let's undo the selection at first. Okay, and click once. This one wasn't bad at all. So you can click right here again, click right here. All right, okay. So the magic wand tool works best when we have a plain color as the background. So we're gonna click on this part. Oops, nope. All right, let's work with this one. So once you have successfully selected, you click right here and then clear, and there we go. Okay, so I'm going to deselect this, deselect, and pick our eraser tool. So this is our eraser. So you click on toolbar, scroll to the top, pick eraser. Just going to erase this part of it. And now let's position it right where we want it. So you click right here, transform. So let's turn off snap. As you can see, it's snapping. So click right here, turn off snap. So now we can move it freely. So okay, this is cool enough. Why not? After that, click on done. Now what we want to do, we want to sample some colors from the background, so we can use the colors to blend this statue to this rock. So to do that, let us come over here. Let's first of all turn off the statue, click right here, go to toolbar, click on lasso selection tool. So we're going to take this part. Yep, come over here, click right here, layer from selection, done. Let's transform, put it right here, done. Now let's turn on back our statue. Good. So make the statue layer active, click right here and then select pesos. Very good. Click on FX, then gradient. Alright, so going to use click on color, click on a very bright one. Good. Now click on maybe a bit neutral. Now click on a dark one. And then click on the darkest. Okay. Now you can play with the gamma a bit. I think this one is good enough. Then done. So now let us deselect. Now we can get rid of this. We no longer need it. Delete. And this is our nice looking statue. Come over here, click on this. So let us blend the bottom better. So and that is it. So let me add some clouds. I love to add some clouds to it, so I'll click right here. So I'll go to the bottom layer, add photo layer, photo library. Okay, here's the clouds. You can put it right here. Position it wherever you want. Done. I'm going to erase it from here. And yeah, this is how you turn a statue into a rock. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.